Hello guys, review tablet Blackview Tab 16 Pro. This version 8GB memory and 256GB internal memory. Okay, and start unpacking. In compactation we have protected glass for display. Of course, device in the blue color. Okay, protected back cover. Adapter for charging, stylus and Type-C cable. Okay. Device made of metal. On the back side double camera LED, on upside power button and warm buttons, on this side Type-C port and speakers, stereo speakers. 11-inch display. Turn on device and open settings. We have Full HD Plus resolution IPS display, Android 14 and Dock OS P version 4.0. Open Geekbench 6 and talk about system information. We have Unisoc T616, octa-core processor and Mali G57. Look results, single core score, multi-core score and GPU test results. Close this. Open AnTuTu benchmark. AnTuTu benchmark results. Close this. PUBG Mobile works on the medium graphic level. And that's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.